This is a hawthorn tincture. Hawthorn, Crataegus monogyna, is the heart plant. So the hawthorn is a deciduous tree. As you can see here in my yucca, it's winter and it has no leaves. They're going to come back soon though, and I'm very excited. It bears little red fruit that resemble a human heart. Now there's a lovely story behind the hawthorn tree, and it's based on the theory of signatures, and I love it. So the theory of signatures is basically a herbal/medicinal concept that says that if a plant resembles an organ of the human body, then it will cure any ailments of the particular human organ. So following that concept, the hawthorn berry resembles a human heart. So it cures the ailments of the heart. That's why it's the heart plant. And it's not just some magical concept. There are some studies that have revealed that this is true. Many studies have proved that hawthorn strengthens the heart. It helps protect against heart disease and helps control high blood pressure and high cholesterol levels. And its high antioxidant content has shown to have anti-cancer potential. Now, a little message of caution: you do not want to take hawthorn extract 2 weeks pre and post surgery, because as it improves the blood circulation, it can cause a lot of bleeding, so you don't want that during an operation. So you have to be careful about that. So I decided to make a hawthorn tincture to extract all that goodness out of the berries and of course to benefit from those wonderful health benefits. Hawthorn tincture is super simple. All you need to do is forage a few hawthorn berries, then wash them, and you want to crush them because that will make the bioactive ingredients more readily available to the alcohol extraction. Put them in a sterilized glass jar and then pour alcohol to the top of the jar, and that's it. You leave that sit for a month in a dark, cool place, away from sunlight, because the sun rays can damage the bioactive ingredients. So after a month, just strain it and then you can use it. Just put a few drops in a glass of water, or you can directly take the drops under your tongue, and this will have a faster effect because under the tongue, it's directly into the bloodstream. Now, it was funny. I had a funny experience because I had forgotten that I had done 2 tinctures of hawthorn berries. One was with a vodka that I got from the supermarket, kind of cheap. I was just testing at the beginning. And the other is an ethanol mixed with water mixture. So I definitely saw the difference between the 2. I found out with the vodka one that it was all jellified, my tincture. It was really weird. Like I had this jelly substance. It smells really good, but jelly. And so I couldn't use my mesh strainer. I had to use a cheesecloth to really squeeze all that jelly. It turned into liquid at the end. I have a liquid tincture now, but it was really weird. Now, I don't know if it's because the vodka, there's sugar in it or acid, they add that, I don't know. Usually it's sugar-free, but as it was slightly cheaper, ecmaybe they add sugar, I don't know. And maybe it's because the fruit was more mature, so the pectin content was higher. I read that the pectin content is very high in hawthorn berry. What activates the pectin is sugar or acid, so that's why I said to myself, maybe there's acid or sugar inside the vodka. I don't know. And anyway, when I saw with my ethanol extract, much more pure, it was liquid, hasn't changed the form, the same, smells really good. The color difference you can see, it's notable, much darker with the vodka, much lighter, and it looks much more pure. So you have to be careful. I mean, you can see that the quality of my ethanol and water mixture is much better than the vodka one, of course. This makes sense, but so you can have much better extraction if you use ethanol, and I've really seen that it does make a difference. So there you go, that's it for the hawthorn plant, Crataegus monogyna. I love this plant, the heart plant. It's incredible. So there you go, if you want to benefit from wonderful heart health benefit, if you want to strengthen your heart or prevent heart disease or, you know, have antioxidant benefits, well, just take hawthorn tincture and you'll be great. There you go.